Have you ever struggled to use Roman numerals for preliminary pages and Arabic numbers for main chapters in Microsoft Word? Hello everyone, welcome back to Academic Tech Skills. In this tutorial, I will show you the easiest professional method to create different page numbers step by step for your thesis, research paper or assignment. So let's get started. Step 1. Insert section break. As you see, there are no page numbers in this document. Before creating different page numbers, we first need to divide the document into sections. Now place your cursor at the end of the last preliminary page. For example, acknowledgement, list of acronyms, or table of contents. Here in this case is acronyms. Then go to the page layout tab, click on breaks. Under section breaks, choose next page. This is very important because section breaks allow different formatting between parts of the document. Remove the extra space above chapter 1. Now our document is divided into two separate sections. Step 2. Insert Roman numeral page numbers. Now let's insert Roman numeral page numbers for the preliminary pages. Put the cursor to the first page. Go to Insert tab, click Page Number, choose Bottom of Page, then select your preferred style. Now the page numbers are inserted, but they are still in Arabic numerals. To change them, click again on Page Number, choose Format Page Numbers. Under Number Format, select Roman numerals from the drop-down list. Then click OK. Now the preliminary pages are numbered as 1, 2, 3 and so on. Step 3. Start Arabic page numbers for main chapters. Now let's create Arabic page numbers for the main body. Go to the first page of chapter 1. Double-click inside the body or normal document area of the page to remove same as previous. Double-click the footer area. Then look carefully. You will see link to previous. Click it once to deactivate it. This is very important. If you do not turn it off, both sections will remain connected. Now go to page number. Click Format Page Numbers and under Number Formats select Arabic numerals. Then choose Start At and type 1. Finally click OK. Now your main chapters begin with 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now everything is correctly formatted. Step 4. Remove page number from title page. Sometimes we do not want the title page to display a page number. To do this, go to the first page, double-check inside the body or normal document area of the title page to remove header dotted lines. Double-click the header or footer. Then under Header and Footer tab, check Different First Page. Now the page number disappears from the title page only. Very professional. Step 5. Final review. Now let's review our document. As you can see, preliminary pages use Roman numerals, main chapters use Arabic numerals, and the formatting looks professional and academically correct. This is the proper method used in universities, thesis documents, dissertations, and professional reports. Before you leave, if you want your document to look truly professional, you should definitely watch the tutorial you see on the screen. Also, like the video, subscribe to Academic Tech Skills, and turn on notifications for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.